Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what's the easiest way to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 installation. Yeah, if you're already on Windows 10 you probably heard about that there is Windows 11 around and you can download and update it for free. You have to just match the requirements. It's actually surprising how quiet it is. When we check the latest tech news, there is not much about Windows 11. I don't know, there seems not to be too much excitement about that, but in general you can go to the site here. I'll put down the link into the description. You can download it originally from Microsoft. You have 3 different ways to do that. That's the one which is actually already built in. I'm going to show you that, how you can also use that instead of here. Then you can create a Windows 11 installation media when you start it from scratch and then download the Windows 11 disk image. So I'm going to show you how it is working with the assistant. So of course it's always good to check the requirements and everything, and you can click here and download it from here, but it's actually advised to do it in another way. When you hit the Windows key and then type update, you'll find the checks for updates here, and then it brings you to this page where you can check for updates, and then you can download and update directly from here. Or using the website which I have been showing you previously, but make sure that you check on these messages here, and in my case it says this PC doesn't currently meet all the system requirements for Windows 11, and then you can go click here and then download the health check. So here's the link where you can download it. I have already downloaded it. And so we can install this thing here and let the system check and tell me why I'm not supposed to be able to upgrade to Windows 11. So let's open Finish here and see what it's telling to me. So here we are, check now. And it looks like the CPU is a problem. It's not the latest CPU, but it's not very old. I mean, it's about, I would say, 4 years old or so. It's a little bit surprising why it's not supporting this. It's still a very fast i7 CPU. It's a little bit crazy. But here again, it also confirms that it's not compatible. That's a little bit bad. I don't know if they just want to push sales. I'm pretty sure it would run, but it definitely scares me a little bit. And so I'll wait a little bit. Maybe there will be a chance to update later when they have fixed some problems or so. So I'm not going to Windows 11 for the moment. But still, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.